This feels like a glimpse into the future, where humanoid robots are quickly evolving, blending both practical technology and a bit of science fiction. It's wild to think about how fast robotics are advancing, from basic machines to robots that sweat, flex muscles, and even throw punches. Take Protoclone Chirichief, for example. Clone robotics is pushing the boundaries with a robot that mimics human anatomy as closely as possible. They've created a humanoid with a polymer skeleton and over 1,000 artificial muscles, giving it 200 degrees of freedom to move just like a person. It even has a water-based cooling system, so it sweats to prevent overheating. But for all the buzz, the robot's still a long way from walking without help. Right now, it's more of a proof of concept than something you'd find in a real-world setting. Still, the fact they're exploring new types of actuators, like fluid-powered muscles, is a big leap forward, even if the robot feels a little creepy without a face. Then there's your Unitary Robotics and their upcoming robot boxing match. The Unjiwanok bots are smaller, but they're working to refine their movements to make the match fun to watch. Right now, their biggest issue is balance and reacting to punches, but with some tweaks, this could turn into a legit spectacle. It's a bit of a circus at the moment, but who knows? A full-on robot fight league might be in our future if the technology gets fine-tuned. Finally, the for half marathon as in Beijing sounds like a whole new kind of race. It's a major test for these robots who will be running alongside human runners in the 2025 Beijing Etown Half Marathon. Sure, the robots probably won't be breaking any speed records, but just finishing the race without falling apart would be a huge achievement. It's fascinating to think about robots adapting to real-world challenges like uneven surfaces and unpredictable weather, not to mention the tech hurdles of having them run for hours without crashing. Overall, it's clear that robots are slowly but surely carving out their place in spaces once dominated by humans. Whether it's doing chores, boxing, or running marathons, these innovations are pushing the limits of what's possible. But yeah, some people are a little nervous about where this is heading, especially as the robots start to look more and more human. Would you feel comfortable with one of these robots living in your house? Or would you press the off button the second it blinked?